do gotta find all those jiggies. Oh. Hey, I didn't see you there. Oh, is it already time? I guess we better get to one-up you. I hope I didn't wreck that, you know. It's hard to find these. Just gonna. Hi everybody, welcome back to One Up You, the show where we compete to see who can one up who. And welcome to season 2. It's good to be back. Sorry about our little hiatus there, but we're gonna be back on track and continue the show moving in what is hopefully a far more frequent, better pace. Hey look, we've moved. This is a new place. Let's start the new season out with a throwback to the old season, to our first episode where we played the original Smash Bros. Now we're gonna play the newest Smash Bros. Today, we've got Doug, Paul, and Nate. There's gonna be let's say a slight twist to how we're gonna play this round. So let's hop right into it.
Hello! I'm back. I'm still Doug. And I got this cool like Samus controller. I woke up early to play video games. I'm gonna pick Ness because he's the most gangster character in this whole game. He harnesses the powers of the universe to destroy everything in his path. It's beautiful. It is a beautiful thing to witness such power in such capable hands.
Plus he wears that sideways hat.
Of course he's got a sideways hat on, because like if you wear it just forwards, it blocks your vision of like what's coming from above, you know? But at the same time, very practical. You don't want the sun in your eyes.
Hey, I'm Paul, and I'm picking Dr. Mario because he's got pills and he knows where to put them. In your face. What were you thinking? He's also got a black lab coat and a red tie because he's stylish like that. And he's got a big old stethoscope on his forehead because he's the doctor. He's also got black gloves because he's an assassin. A little known fact.
That's not a stethoscope.
Well,
Telescope.
No, that's I'm Nate. I'm sweating. Gotta poop. And I'm here. Steve isn't. I'm gonna pick Lil Mac. He doesn't have a great jump, but he will rock you, and he'll beat you up.
Alright, so you guys, just so you know, this isn't going to be as straightforward as you thought. And you're going to pass your controller one to the left. Pass your character one over.
So now
So
I'm
you
Dr.
picked each
Mario.
other's characters, so...
I was gonna wreck everyone with Dr. Mario. Alright, you're Ness, Doug, you're Little Mac.
Why'd you pick the worst character?
Why did Doug set Paul up for failure? No.
Doug's really good with Ness.
Where's Little Mac? Where's
He's top right. Lil Mac is top right.
What costume did you make from?
Yeah, the wireframe.
Oh, just the regular one.
Okay.
Doug, click Y. Oh wait, yeah. Y. Click Y. No.
Do you have your controller set up the same way?
I don't
Yeah.
see.
Okay.
It's so far.
Go up.
You already
Up right.
passed
You
him.
click. You were on him.
You were on it.
To the right. To the right.
Doug, you're doing
To the
it.
right. There you go.
Back tonight. Hey, I picked him.
What stage?
Turn up a
Final
little bit?
Destination.
Let's do big battlefield.
Sweaty man.
I was just gonna look at Ness the whole time and wish I was playing it. I'm a freaking Mac tonight.
Oh shit.
Oh, I don't even know. I've literally never played this guy before.
Okay,
Oh, what's
who
that?
let the dogs out?
I don't
Who let the
why is this happening?
freaking dogs out?
No, it's all with him.
No, Doug doesn't know the character. We should double team you.
No.
We should double team
You-
Steve.
I don't know.
For not,
I don't know.
for not even show up.
Winning there.
I just jumped off the
Hard.
cliff.
Woohoo! Don't you effing flippin' dare.
Alright.
Get out of here, loser. Dodge.
Oh, snap tonight.
You think you're a bird? You're a dodge.
Pickles.
Yeah,
Pickles.
That pickles. That's me, man. Get out of here.
Get away from me.
The doctor is in the house. Daniel, is his a close-up or anywhere?
It's like the same as Mario's.
I don't know what Mario's is.
It's like
Ew! Pills!
Oh, the pill's taking me away, man.
Yeah, don't I know it. I know the feel, trust me, man. When the pills just take you away, you just think to yourself, man, is this all I have? This, that, or all?
Nate's winning, so let's team him.
No teaming.
No teaming. Come on. I'm
Doug,
just gonna kill
Doug,
you guys.
I'm just gonna tell you something right now. You
Oh, yeah,
click B on someone when you're right next to them. You have an instant KO. Don't click it on me though, because I told you to use it.
You don't do that on me because I'm your friend.
Don't click it
Alright,
on
You
me.
don't lose it if you don't use it.
These are all
That's what
valuable.
happens.
These are all valuable. Oh no.
No, then you died. He lost it.
What?
Oh, I got
You
curry.
build up-
I thought I was on fire, and then I realized.
Oh, I see. I got the things that I. So if I hit people enough times.
Yeah, you build up a KO. It's like
Oh.
special meter.
Good morning.
Good morning, world. Oh, I'm tiny.
I'm tiny too.
Yeah, we all knew that.
I get what you're trying to say.
What?
You're saying I have a small ego.
Yeah, exactly.
I get it.
Yo, Doug. Little Max down B is a pretty sick counter. So if Daniel hits you, just do down
I'm
B.
not even playing.
I mean, Paul.
Daniel hits.
Too early.
Daniel's the same.
Too early. Oh, sorry, Doug. Little Max jumping sucks.
I noticed.
Yeah, that's the thing.
I'm dead?
Yeah, 3 lives, man.
I forgot. In my head, I was like, I got 5 lives.
Oh, shit.
I'm dead. I lost again.
This has gotta go.
I lost
Lean in
again.
time.
Oh no, see, I told you my ego was little. Now it's even littler.
The little ego that could.
Just when you thought it wasn't impossible, then I spawned.
yeah, just when something is impossibly small, it gets impossibly smaller.
Ooh.
Oh, snap.
And Doug's ego shrank 3 sizes that day.
Well, the upside is I wasn't playing Jigglypuff. Dude, Paul, you gotta get that thing.
Yeah,
It's
everyone needs to get it.
Yeah, no, but like
Nessus is really
Nessus is beautiful. Like he harnesses, he brings death and destruction from the sky.
And then later, Doug's gonna Ness apparently.
Upbeat it. Paul.
Yeah, but you're using lightning bolt.
It's gone. It's gone for good.
Ooh,
Just like me.
Whew. Man, you know what? Dr. Mario isn't following his Hippocratic oath right now.
Is what?
Is basically
Oh,
the
as a
oath the
doctor.
doctors uptake.
Yeah, where they
always
won't
save a life.
Yeah, to
to
be.
save your life despite any personal biases or anything.
Yeah, so like basically, if you are like
He's
a
a rogue
racist,
doctor.
that's-
Maybe he's saving them from
Yeah,
themselves.
renegade Dr. Mario. Well, I mean, he's a renegade doctor, just like regular Mario is a renegade plumber, right? Like he doesn't really.
No, he took a Hippocratic oath to say to save the princess, man.
That's not the same oath.
I'm just saying, it's not like renegade to save people's lives.
It is
Well-
if you're a plumber.
You're supposed to. What was that?
Save people's pipes
What?
if you're a plumber.
That doesn't.
Holy cow! What is that?
That's a gun,
It is
Doug.
a laser
Do you
gun.
know what guns are?
Oh well, I'm getting a good hit of it right now.
Okay, this is unacceptable. This is unacceptable.
That's gonna wet my leg.
This is unacceptable, man. Oh shit.
See, I told you, this is where it's at, guys.
Shut the hell up,
It's really
Doug.
bad.
He's not really that. He's so powerful. He just. Have you ever used his. You didn't even try to use his PK Flash.
I don't know what that is.
It's a standard key.
Oh.
It's so. Like, if you. Well, actually, you know what? It's not for beginners. It's not for just beginners.
If you land it, it's...
Get him, Snorlax, you bitch!
Oh.
We're gonna have some more Yoshi noises that are happening.
Oh, no, taken out.
Paul's getting hit by the pills.
Paul, I'm kind of worried about the your level of enthusiasm.
I shot myself down.
Shot down.
Magic 8 Ball, did I win? Don't count on it.
Not quite accurate.
That's unacceptable.
Great. Well, congratulations, Nate. You one-upped... Doug. You one-upped Doug and Paul.
Was I the winner? Better not tell you.
Better not tell him.
Magic 8 Ball says all.
And hey guys, if you like this video, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment telling me what game you'd like to see us play. Did you like this game? Do you have any memories, stories you want to share? Whatever, I'll read them. That's all for this time. Join us next time for episode 2, for the next one. Join us, just join us. Join us next time, please.